built shit to box. And he rented a train for us, and I used it for Poison to July's show, which I'm also going to do July's train with me. And that's it. That's what the time is. So this is your grandparents' house? Before.
Yes, they built in '53, paid $3,000 for the lot, and spent 15 grand building the house.